Now, the Appointments Committee of Parliament has today vetted a Justice of the Supreme Court nominee, Justice Kweku T. Aka-Buafo. The committee was scheduled to vet him 2 days earlier, but there was a petition brought against him, which petition has since been dismissed by the House of Parliament, paving the way for the Appointments Committee to vet him. Let's go to Parliament now for more.
The final vetting of one of the 7 justices nominated to the Supreme Court in April by President John Mahama took place today at Parliament House. Supreme Court nominee Justice Tawiah Aka-Buafo, the last of the 7 nominees, appeared before the Appointments Committee to respond to their questions. During his vetting, Justice Aka-Buafo called for clearer legal definitions of the phrase stated misbehavior as captured in Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution. According to him, it is time for the country to provide unambiguous grounds for the removal of the Chief Justice. His remarks come in the wake of the controversial removal process involving suspended Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo.
Amount to misconduct, but should that misconduct, depending on the facts, be the basis for removal? In other jurisdictions, judges may receive a reprimand, some may receive you writing an apology, some may receive counseling. So I think that yes, depending on the facts, the misconduct will be established. But would that amount to a misconduct that leads to a removal? It's another matter. Thank you.
The Supreme Court nominee also cautioned against the indiscriminate proliferation of institutions providing professional legal education in Ghana, even as he acknowledged the significant shortage of lawyers in the country. Justice Aka-Buafo further advocated for the Ghanaian judiciary to become literate in artificial intelligence and other emerging technological tools as parts of efforts to keep pace with global developments in legal practice.
I highly recommend the judiciary to be AI literate. The judiciary of Ghana must endeavor to make the judiciary AI literate, because that is the new trend. However, we need to be very careful engaging this, because if we are all literate and as to how it operates, then we are in the front end, and then we'll be able to know the dangers associated with it. Many countries like Canada and UK have guidelines for judges, and so once I recommend that AI literacy should be embraced by the judiciary, then we'll be required to have guidelines to guide judges